As the weather gets colder here in Japan, many people like to go to a hot spring to warm up, but humans aren't the only ones enjoying a soak. Izu Shaboten Zoo in central Japan is providing a hot bath for their 15 capybaras. The custom began when keepers spotted some relaxing in a puddle of hot water that was meant to be used to clean their enclosure. The animal is the world's largest rodent and native to tropical regions of South America. 10 babies were born this year between August and October. This week, they took their first bath filled with citrus fruit, whose scent is said to have a relaxing effect.
They're so cute. You want to take a bath with them, don't you?
Keepers say sometimes all the capybaras share the bath, but at other times, just one of them enjoys a solitary soak.